The Owen James Report is brought to you by
Columbus Business Solutions. One provider, all the solutions.
I'm Omar Azan, the Logistics and Operations Officer at Bashco, and we could not be happier with the phone package we got from Columbus Business Solutions. All calls between Columbus or flow numbers are free. That makes communication between our head office and our branches that much more affordable. At Bashco, the calls are endless, whether it be from our customers or between our offices, and that adds up to significant savings, which is always good for business. I'm Omar Azan from Bashco, and we use Columbus Business Solutions. You?
Columbus Business Solutions. One provider, all the solutions.
Good evening. This is the Owen James Report. The benchmark US dollar, the British pound, as well as the Canadian dollar have climbed to record highs against the Jamaican dollar. Amidst continued high seasonal demand for foreign exchange, the American dollar advanced by 7 Jamaican cents to an average selling rate of $92.05, a new record against the local currency. The British pound jumped by 57 cents Jamaican to a new high of $149.14. The Canadian dollar gained 34 cents Jamaican to close at a new high of $92.65 Jamaican. Now, according to data from the central bank, the US dollar attracted selling rates as high as $95.05 and as low as $85 Jamaican. There is some progress in NCB Capital Markets' quest to acquire AIC Financial Limited in Trinidad and gain a toehold in the Twin Island Republic. NCB has advised the Jamaica Stock Exchange that it has completed its due diligence and has received the requisite board approvals to acquire 100% of AIC Finance Limited's shares. However, NCB says aspects of the value of the company are still being negotiated. AIC Finance Limited in Trinidad is owned by NCB's majority shareholders, and NCB's wealth management arm, NCB Capital Markets, views it as a perfect start to enter the relatively cash-rich Trinidadian market. News on the market now, and losses by D&G, Jamaica Broilers and NCB triggered falls in the Jamaican stock market indices. The main JC index declined by 151 points, or a tenth of 1%. 25 stocks traded, with 9 advancing, 10 declining and 6 holding firm. The winners included Carreras, Dolphin Cove, Grace Kennedy, Jamaica Producers, Lime up 6.25%, Sagicor Life Jamaica and Scotia Group. The losers included Caribbean Cement, Siboney Group down over 28%, newly listed Consolidated Bakeries, D&G, Jamaica Broilers, Kingston Wharves, NCB and Salada Foods. On the international scene, the International Monetary Fund is undergoing quite a change in thinking. The fund once considered as heresy any notion that countries should restrict the flow of money into and out of their economies. The orthodoxy was that countries should set liberal rules so investors could buy and sell assets as freely as possible. It considered any restrictions or capital controls a hindrance to development and better economic performance. However, in the wake of the global economic crisis, the IMF on Monday said it now regarded capital controls as an important policy tool that can help nations shield themselves from potential economic problems. However, the IMF emphasizes that such limits, whether taxes to show money coming into a country or rules to prevent it from rushing out too fast, should be imposed carefully and not be used to avoid confronting other problems in a country's economy. And finally, we welcome on board our new partner, Columbus Business Solutions. That's the Owen James Report. Good evening.
The Owen James Report was brought to you by
Columbus Business Solutions. One provider, all the solutions.